Introducing iGulu S1, the world's most innovative smart home brewing machine, allowing you to create the most stunning handcrafted beers you have ever tasted. With the iGulu brewing kits, you can enjoy brewery-quality beer at home in an easy way. The machine identifies recipes with a quick scan of the included RFID card, and then automatically initiates the entire brewing process. If you want to stay in full control of your personal taste, just create your own recipes. Customize ingredients, temperature, and times. Track every stage from fermentation to carbonation, and make every brew uniquely yours. And if you don't like beer, try other drinks. Kombucha, flavored soda, wine, cider, and so much more. The upgraded Fermentation Control System 2.0 manages temperature and pressure automatically, creating an ideal environment for the yeast to work its magic. Your beer will be fermented in the best condition without any risk of contamination. Our fermentation keg is made from the material used in baby products. It has a pressure relief and airlock valve that automatically relieves abnormal pressure to ensure an ideal fermentation process. Once you've finished brewing, use the equal pressure filling system to transfer drinks to smaller bottles. This is an innovative design that adapts the filling technology of large factories into a compact form. The iGulu S1 can also be used with any other third-party 5-liter kegs for cooling and dispensing. It's user-friendly, portable, and easy to maintain and clean. And it's enormous fun. Create your own drinks. Invite your friends. Bring out your creations and share your passion. It's time to start your own beer journey and discover something new with the iGulu S1, the world's most innovative smart home brewing appliance. Back us now. Enjoy the brewing, and most importantly, enjoy your drinks.